I'm scrolling down St. Clair. I just seen this new burger spot. It's called a Burger Monk. Man's at Marv, so I'm gonna go inside. They sell burgers, they sell wings, they sell poutines, and the burgers are flame grilled. Let's go inside and try this place out. So we got the food, one Nashville Sando, one beef bacon burger, a small fries, and a Parmesan ranch dip. We got the fries. This is what the fries is looking like. Nice and crispy. Fresh, crunchy, well salted. Not too much salt. 8 out of 10. There's some solid fries. Parmesan ranch dip. I'm not really feeling the dip still. Dip gets a 4 out of 10. Now we got the beef bacon burger. Boom. This is what it's looking like. You bust the top open. Bam. Looking like a solid burger. It's got a nice bun. Nice amount of cheese. The bacon's all right. The patty could be more seasoned. Tastes a little bland. It's an all right burger. Bacon beef burger, I give the bacon beef burger a solid 6.5 out of 10. Nothing special. This is their Flamin' Hot Nova chicken burger. As you can see, we got the jalapenos, we got some mayo, we got the chicken tenders that looks like it's been dipped in Nashville hot sauce. Bust the top open for you so you guys can see it. No crunch. Does have a nice taste though. It is spicy. Jalapenos are nice. The sauce they dip the chicken in is nice. The bun is nice and soft. It's an alright chicken sandwich. What I give this? Well, I'm gonna give it like a solid 7 out of 10. Okay, go on. Overall, the meal, the spot, I'm gonna give this spot like a solid 7 out of 10.